Hello everyone. I've been fixing things for a while now. I've just fixed this toy axolotl, which has some LED lights that glow when this thing is shorted, because you submerge the axolotl, and well, it has these nice glowy LEDs. Okay, so what is this? This is a 3D printing extruder module. It is not working because the hot tip, it's it's obstructed. So we're going to open it and replace it with one of these kits, replacement kits. So I have here my trusty Swiss knife and also my 10 euros screwdriver set. So these screws are Torx T5 hexagonal screws. I'm going to quickly take them away, unscrewing, unscrewing, unscrewing. You have to be somewhat tidy with your screws, okay? Keep them in order. So the cover is out. Okay, this is quite clean. This is a fan. That's quite clean because I've already dismantled the thing before. Oh, not. This is not a Torx. This is an hexagonal screw. Okay, this is it. The first time I dismantled this, I unscrewed everything because I didn't know better, but if I remember correctly, it is not necessary to take everything out. So this is the fan. Okay, this plastic part fits the hot air end, the hot end. So you adjust the fit with this screw, and then this part should come off, different length. And okay. This part, I didn't remember this. This part has a cable, which means it may have some kind of sensor. So the cable, the PLA, this is the material. So the filament goes through this part, inside this chamber, and on to the hot end. So what we're going to do is unscrew these metal parts and let this loose. Out with them. Okay, let's see if this comes off. Not yet. This thing will not move. Okay, let's go after the other part. Why do I do this at home, you say? Well, I don't have time for these long repairs at work, so I decided to bring it home. Some of you may have seen another repair attempt at school, but it was a strike day, so we had time for this. But in a normal school day, we don't have time for this, for such long repairs. Okay, another cover out. So this is a PCB. I don't know. Yes, I have to take it out. Okay, this equipment combines two kinds of screws, then the hexagonal one and the hexagonal with the pointy tips, known as Torx. They are both hexagonal, but this has pointy tips, and this one is a perfect hexagon. This part, the only mechanical part here is the motor that moves the filament. All these, I believe they are just heating circuits for the hot end. Not yet. Oh, wait. I believe that the only thing retaining this are these two screws. So maybe I can take out this part without taking out the other part. Let's see. Okay, everything is moving now. Okay, now it's moving. Okay. This gear is connected. This gear is connected to this part. So maybe I can take away everything and leave the gear behind. I don't know. Quite difficult this is. No. Out with everything. Reassembly will be quite difficult. I know it because I did it last month, but I don't remember very much. So you have here the connectors for the sensors and other electronic parts. Okay, I have to take out this. Let's open the back. Oh, no knife needed. Okay, out with it. Nice. This connector, carries, okay, this is the temperature sensor. No, I have to unscrew this with a wrench. I'll be right back. Listen, I don't like to do this. It shouldn't be like this, but I don't have any other tool at hand. So I'm going to use this monkey wrench to loosen this part. Oh, no monkey wrench needed. I had just to pull it. This is a different part because this thing has a notch to prevent the hot end from turning. I don't know if they are actually compatible. It will work, but I don't like this. The fit will not be so good and it could turn accidentally. I could keep this part. So if I just... Yes, I have to unscrew it. Be gone. Okay, here is the problem. Okay. This is the part that caused all the problems. This is a plastic, transparent plastic sleeve that guides the PLA to the hot end. There's no hole, so I couldn't take this. I need a pair of tweezers to take this away. Okay, I did it off camera, but I just pulled, and this is the current state of this part, and it's not working. So now for the last part, I need to take away the filament, the old filament. Okay, good. And oh no, it's broken. There's a tiny piece of filament inside. Come on, get out. You know what? I'm just using the new one, okay? Because if I kept this part, I would have to take out the plastic sleeve, the transparent part, and put it inside here. And I don't know if that is possible. Okay, so I'm just putting the seam, guiding the new cable, and putting all parts back together. So what should I do next? Oh, okay, I remember. This screw, which is an adjustment screw, goes here. And if I fit it properly, this thing will not turn. Okay, like so. Now it is fit. Okay, better now. Now this is connected, so I can put the motherboard back inside. The connector has to be facing the gap. Now these two screws. This thing secures the fit of the hot end. Yes. So which part was it? This. Okay, not very tight. I can adjust this at the end. Now for these three screws. Okay. Now the fan. The fan goes with this side with holes. The fans should be facing that part. Okay, like this. The whole point of this part is to guide. This is a tube that guides the airflow for the hot end. I believe that cold air enters the fan, goes through this tube, and okay, cools the hot end. Okay, now I do the fitting and I tighten the screw. Okay, yes, this is the whole airflow. Oh, I think I forgot these two screws. That's why this is a bit loose still. Perfect. Motherboard. I do the diagonal first, then the other one, and then I tighten everything. Okay, I'm not an expert in mechanical things, but people say that Torx and hexagonal screws have better fit than Phillips screws. And for the last part, no, I am not a mechanical expert by any means. No. Yes, material low, I know. Very well, this is pretty much it. Tomorrow, when I arrive at school, I will be putting this back in the 3D printer and testing it with some real 3D printing. So that's it for today. Thank you very much, boys and girls.